This is the oil cooler for Holden trucks. So it's oil leaking from the outside the oil cooler, and also the oil pressure switch is leaking as well. So we're going to replace the switch, and the oil cooler gasket is need to replace as well. So I need to um it's hard to get the oil cooler from under the side of the front of the vehicle. And also when we remove the oil cooler, we found that one of the water frost plug is leaking. So that is the first plug there on the top there. So while the oil cooler is out, so it's time to replace the first plug as well. So now I open the oil cooler, see what's the condition of this gasket, and I'm very sure the gasket is already already worn out because the oil is dripping from the side of the cooler. Now I open it and see the gasket is already flat, and you can see the oil is leaking on many sides. Also, this is the very common for the oil cooler gasket. It will mix the water, the coolant, and the oil. So this is the very common problem if the water mixing with the oil. So that's the common problem is the gasket. Now we're going to remove this gasket and replace with new one. Now the new gasket is on, so now I put it back the oil cooler on top of it. Now the oil cooler is ready and the first plug already put on as well. So now we can put the oil cooler back on. Everything put back on and the switch on the top is pressure switch already put on as well. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this video is helpful. So this is the very common problem with the oil leak and mixing oil and water. Please don't forget to subscribe or thumbs up. Thank you.